Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Evony from Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the three horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Then go to Settings option. Here go to Account option. Click on Link Account option. Then tap on Unlink Facebook option. And if you're sure, click on the Confirm button. So that is how you can unlink Evony from Facebook. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.